Okay, so ignore my umbrella pole right here. This is a Vego Garden cover for my huge 8x2 elevated raised bed. Oh my goodness. We are getting ready to put together the cover that goes with my long Vego Garden raised bed. I have enlisted my son to come and help me. So we'll take a look at what he's doing right now. So he is carving his name upside down.
It's upside down to you.
The box.
It's your filming it upside down.
In the box.
Yeah, I just want this to be known this is my property.
He says this is his property. All right.
I'll see you later.
Uh-huh. Yes, I am recording.
I know you're recording. And I am leaving.
Okay.
With this.
Uh-huh. So it looks like it has quite a few pieces. That's the top. And apparently it needs a drill. So we'll see just how long this takes to put together after we apparently relax.
I'll let you do.
So far we almost have, or I should say he almost has.
You ain't did nothing. Talking about we.
Y'all hear that?
You ain't did nothing.
I am assisting, okay?
With what?
We almost have the frame up.
She is not assisting me with a single thing.
I did. I passed him the screws, okay?
No, the screws are right here. You ain't passing those screws.
Oh my goodness. Me assisting.
Me being enslaved. She's over here holding the fan. I'm over here sweating bullets. She's got a fan, a sun cap, sunscreen. She just told me to get out here and get to work. Enjoying my Friday off.
As you can see, I have no fan.
She said it
no hat.
before she turned it around.
No sunscreen.
You have sun. You can't. They can't see sunscreen.
Oh my gosh.
Abuse. I'm gonna save.
Somebody has to put it together. Come on now.
I'm gonna save the background footage that you took. Hey, you're not gonna post for my exposing Chef Pam video. For all the abuse.
That's my baby boy.
Subscribers like you. That don't mean they can afford you.
Oh my gosh. He is almost done putting it together.
It's been 15 hours.
No, it hasn't. It probably really has.
And she told me I'm not allowed to drink water.
I did not.
You've been drinking water, and she told me I cannot have any water. She said no water until you're done, boy.
Oh my gosh.
Those are her words precisely. No water until you're done, boy.
Oh my goodness. This is hilarious.
I know I'm 27, but I feel like someone should call CPS.
Oh.
You can literally never use them. It won't change anything about this.
Okay, that's the hooks. Now we're getting ready to put the cover on, the frame. Oh my gosh. Y'all see what I have to go through?
Well,
okay.
you have to go through. I have to go through slavery.
Oh, don't forget to put the zippers on the side you on so that I can get in it.
I should put it on the other side.
No. You need help?
You ain't help with nothing else. Now you want it.
Because you're taller than me.
Don't mean nothing. It's not my fault. You're 3.5 feet tall. 4.5 feet.
See, I helped y'all.
This is the first time since I was 5 she helped me.
Uh-oh, that's what's wrong. Wait a minute. Got to lift it up right here and get this thing out.
We'll have to.
Okay, it is up.
The slavery
Thank
is over.
you. Oh my God. Y'all see it has zippers on this side where all I have to do is go in, unzip, and get into my garden. Oh, yes. Look. Vego Garden. Vego Garden. All right. Y'all check it out. Vego Garden. Isn't this wonderful? Woo! And it's so tall. So that means I can grow tall things in here and not worry about it. That means I need to plan what I'm going to put in here. Yes, let me back up. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful, guys? Oh, my son did a wonderful job. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful cover. And that trellis is actually on the outside, not the inside. I just want you to see. It's got zippers in several places. So that means I do not have to take it off to get to my plants. See how it zips up? And I can flip this part back. I can flip the other part back as well. Then I can come out here and garden. It's got these little ties. You can just tie it down to the poles. So you don't have to worry about the other side flipping up or anything like that when the rain comes about. Right here is Velcro. So you can Velcro it to the pole, keeping it stable, nice and stable. I also have some hooks that I didn't bring out here, but there are hooks that I can hook on to these poles so that if I wanted to leave a tool out here or some plant that was lightweight that I wanted to put up here or anything else, I could hang up there and it would be just perfect. This is going to be the only container, raised bed, elevated raised bed container that I will be growing in for the fall. This is amazing and I love it. I am going to have mega fun gardening in it. That's the only thing I'm going to garden in for the fall. And if you are interested in a cover or anything else from Vego Garden, just use my discount code at checkout, Scaredy, the Scaredy Cat Gardener, 5% off at checkout. Okay, so the raised bed, look at that. It is wonderful. It fits so neatly right there, and I'm absolutely loving it. Thank you so much, Vego Garden. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today here in my garden. The temperatures have finally dropped a little bit and it feels amazing out here. The birds are singing and it's just wonderful. I love, love, love being out here in this type of weather. If you are not subscribed to the channel, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Let's get to 100,000 subscribers. My returning subscribers, thank you so much. And channel members, thank you for being a part of the Scaredy Cat Crews. I'm Pam, this is Zone 8A, and anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant.